Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Plesk on Bluehost. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install Plesk on Bluehost, start by accessing your Bluehost account. Log in with your username and password. Once logged in, locate the My Sites tab on the dashboard. Click on Create Site to begin the setup process. Choose the Advanced option to access additional settings. Next, select the desired domain for your Plesk installation. Fill in the required information, such as your site title and tagline. Proceed to the next step by clicking Next. Once the basic site information is saved, go to the Add-ons section. Look for the Plesk control panel in the list of add-ons available. Select Plesk and any additional features you want. Click on the Install button to initiate the installation process. Be patient as the installation may take several minutes to complete. Once installed, you will receive a notification confirming the successful setup. Go back to the My Sites tab to view your newly created site. Click on the Manage Site button next to your new site. Here, you will find the option to access Plesk. Click the Log into Plesk option to enter the control panel. You will be prompted to enter your Plesk credentials for the first time. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your Plesk settings. Once complete, you can begin managing your website through Plesk. Explore the various tools available to optimize your site. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Plesk on Bluehost. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.